Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's. Welcome aboard Dimes from Heaven, a 2004 Cruisers Yachts 37 Express. This 2004 Cruisers Yachts 37 Express has been meticulously maintained, has been in fresh water for the last 15 years. It's powered by twin Yanmar 315 inboards diesel. So sipping fuel while you're cruising along. Features of this boat include the extended swim platform with storage. We have new sea deck flooring that was new last year. Canvas has been replaced in the last 2 years. And as you can see, plenty of room to seat the entire family. We have bow-mounted pads for sunbathing, new Garmin radar chart plotter GPS, electronic controls, so we do not have separate transmissions from throttle, a cockpit refrigerator with an ice maker built in. The 370 Express has a master stateroom floored with a hide-a-bed in the mid-cabin area. A very spacious galley with full-size refrigerator freezer. What made this boat so unique when it was in production is having a separate shower. Current owners are extremely picky with this boat. All fluids get changed when recommended. Every year it gets buffed and waxed, and it is stored in a heated building every fall during the off-season. And there you have it, Dimes from Heaven, a 2004 Cruisers Yachts 37 Express. This boat is currently located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. For more information, call Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.